Remember when you were a child saving coins in your piggy bank? A little today, a little tomorrow, and before you knew it, you had enough for that special toy. Systematic Investment Plan or SIP works on the same principle, but instead of coins gathering dust, your money works to potentially grow your wealth over time. And here's the beauty of it. You can start with as little as 100 rupees. Yes, in times when a cup of coffee costs much more, you can begin your investment journey with as less as 100 rupees. This is the democratic nature of SIP. It welcomes everyone regardless of their financial capacity. So, how does SIP actually work? Think of it as setting up an automatic transfer to your future self. You decide an amount, whether it is 100 rupees, 1000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, and simply set up a standing instruction in your bank account for a fixed amount. Then your bank will automatically transfer it to your chosen mutual fund on a fixed date every month, week or quarter. When you invest, the fund house issues you units, similar to buying slices of a pizza. Each unit has a value called net asset value or NAV, which changes daily based on market conditions. The number of units you receive is calculated by dividing your investment amount by the current NAV. This brings us to one of SIP's greatest advantages, rupee cost averaging. Imagine shopping at your favorite clothing store. When there is a sale, your money buys more clothes. When prices are high, you get fewer items for the same amount. SIP works similarly with mutual fund units. Let us see this with a simple example. Suppose you invest 1500 rupees each month for 3 months. In the first month, the NAV is 15 rupees, so you get 100 units. In the second month, the NAV rises to 50 rupees, giving you 30 units. In the third month, with the NAV at 75 rupees, you receive 20 units. So for a total investment of 4,500 rupees, you acquire 150 units at an average cost of just 30 rupees per unit, even though the current market value is 75 rupees. This is the magic of rupee cost averaging. You automatically buy more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, potentially lowering your average cost over time. But there is another powerful force working in your favor, compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger not just by collecting more snow, but also by increasing its surface area as it grows. Similarly, in an SIP, your returns also earn returns. Let us look at how this works. If you invest 1500 rupees per month with a hypothetical monthly return of 1.5%, your first month earns you 22.5 rupees. In the second month, your investment plus previous returns earn 45.3 rupees. By the third month, your total generates 68.5 rupees in returns. Notice how the returns increase each month, even though your investment remains constant. That is compounding in action. Whether you are saving for your dream home, a child's education, a comfortable retirement, or simply building wealth, SIP offers a simple and powerful path. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your financial journey can begin with a single SIP. The best time to start your SIP journey was yesterday. The second best time, today. An investor education and awareness initiative by Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all schemes related documents carefully.